Hello everyone. Today I'm going to read you Dragon's Fat Cat, one of the chapter books from Dav Pilkey. Hope you enjoy it. Dav Pilkey, Dragon's Fat Cat. Chapter 1. Meow. One snowy day in January, Dragon heard a funny noise. Meow! That sounds like a cat, said Dragon. He opened his door and looked outside. Out in the yard, sitting in the snow, was a fat grey cat. Hello, little cat, said Dragon. Come inside and get warm. But the fat cat did not come inside. The fat cat just sat in the snow and said, Meow. Later, Dragon heard another funny noise. Meow. There's that cat again, said Dragon. Won't you please come inside and get warm? Dragon asked. But the fat cat did not come inside. The fat cat just sat in the snow and said, Meow. The day passed and Dragon did not hear any more funny noises. When Dragon looked outside, he did not see the fat cat. All he could see was a blanket of snow with a fat lump in the middle. Oh no, said Dragon. Something is not right. Dragon went outside and scooped away at the snow. He scooped and scooped and scooped until he found the fat cat. You are coming with me, said Dragon, and he took the cold cat inside.